Hey everyone, this is a new fan that I got off of Craigslist last week. It's a Sears Emerson turn of the century 52-inch ceiling fan in brown with an antique brass ornate sideband. These are made by Emerson and sold for Sears, and the motor housing and faceplate is what Sears customized on these, and then they sold them at their stores under the Sears brand name. So this model has a K-55 stack motor in it with a dropped flywheel. There was another version that had a KB-55 stack motor, and the blade arms on those were very similar to that of the Emerson 1895 series. There was also another version of this that had the variable speed, but those are very uncommon. This one has 3-speed. It has an Arkless pull chain, and if you look at the pull chain, it's all one length, very similar to my 1895, and at the end of it is a wooden ball, just like the one on my 1895, so the pull chain is very similar. The ones with the KB-55 motor were 4-speed. These are only 3-speed, except for the variable speed ones, of course. So let's see. The light kit on it is this very nice stained glass Tiffany light kit. It's not genuine Emerson, but it's made by Tiffany No Galls Incorporated. But it does say on there, it says like for use with like models of Emerson listed fans. So I'm not sure if that means that this is a genuine Emerson light kit, but I don't know. Anyway, here's what the light kit looks like when it's on. It's a very nice light kit. I love the stained glass. I know these look better with those really big light bulbs in them, but I don't have any of those, so I'm just using a regular halogen light bulb. Well, it's incandescent halogen. So the motor housing on this one is a little bit different from the model with the KB-55, because on the top of it you can see the big hump on top of the motor housing right here. On the top of the ones with the KB-55s were very flat and looked almost identical to the ones on the Emerson 1895 series. You can see this one has the it's on top of the motor, as you can see. Yeah. And then there's the label right there. This one is model number, let's see, it's model number 292, there's a 6. Hang on a second, I can't really see that well. Looks like 292.906600. Yeah, that's what it is. And you can see Sears Roebuck Company, USA. But it does not mention Emerson on here at all, so yeah. There's the ornate sideband once again. There's the dropped flywheel right there. You can see the K-55 motor in there. This model, it has these dark wood blades, very dark brown. They're wooden. And this is the model that does not have blade badges. It just has these very simple slotted screws with these washers. The ones with the blade badges looked much more classy, in my opinion. But, you know, I guess you get what you pay for. Anyway, this fan is very, very quiet and also very, very powerful, as these K-55 fans typically are. The only thing that's wrong with it is that the switch housing / nose column will vibrate while it's running, and I think that's because there's a nylon bushing in between the flywheel and the switch housing. And I think that just gets oil. But the weight of the light kit and the how I like turned it like that. It doesn't really vibrate that much. So it does click a little bit, but that's from the mounting. By the way, the mounting is not ball and socket like on the Emerson 1895 series. It's not J-hook either. It's like, I don't really know what to call it. It's like the down rod has a pin sticking out of it. The pin is horizontal, and there's 2 rubber washers on either side of it, and that fits into 2 hooks on the mounting bracket. So it's like a double claw system, or like almost like a reverse double claw system. Anyway, also the pull chain on the light kit has a wooden ball, just like the one on the fan, except this one's a little bit more shiny, as you can see. This one's more glossy, this one's shiny. Now I guess what I'll do is I'll show you with all the factory speeds in forward, and I'll turn it on to the speed control speeds. So here's high. It doesn't really have that much of a startup sound, but that's okay. So I can already feel a lot of air, even over here, from this fan. And these are very, very heavy-duty fans. I really don't know why that lady wanted to get rid of it. I mean, this fan is perfect. I would keep it up here, but it just hangs too low for this room. The ceiling's very low in this, and I'm afraid that I would hit my head on the light kit, so I'm gonna have to take it down and put the Hunter original back up. Okay. Let's see. Yeah, it's very, very powerful. I guess. I would do the ribbon test, but I don't have a ribbon. Or wait, what is this? Let's see. I guess this works. There you can see. It's very powerful. You can see the pull chain is moving around. It is a little bit wobbly. Here's it with the light kit on. And now I'll turn it down to medium. And my camera was focusing on the light kit. It's a very nice medium. Still blowing a lot of air. And now low. And the low on this fan is just incredible. It goes super slow, and it's just a perfect restaurant low speed. I'm just imagining a restaurant full of these identical fans with this exact light kit just spinning on this slow speed. It'd just be a really neat install. So that's about as slow as it goes. See, there's a top view. A view of the flywheel right there. See, last time I turned on the light kit, and that was a really good view of the... Here. Yeah, that's a perfect view right there. And it's extremely quiet on this speed. Like, you cannot hear anything. Yeah, I bet whoever had this when it was installed barely used it. Alright, so now I'll turn the fan off. And I'm going to switch it to reverse. Let's see, here's the reverse switch. Okay. Now, this time let's start it up on low in reverse. Let me turn off that telephone. There. Sorry about that. Okay. Now medium. And high. Okay, there. All right. Now, I'll flip it back to forward. And let me turn off the speed control and turn the fan on high. And I'm going to show it to you on the speed control speed. So let's start on high, which is the same. Okay, so it's up to speed now. Let's switch it down to medium. You can see it torque a little bit. It looks like the medium speed is going to be a lot slower than the factory speed. Again, well, maybe not. This isn't actually that much slower. I could live with this medium speed on the speed control. I wasn't in the frame, sorry about that. I was looking up at the fan, not in my camera. Okay, let's see, low on the speed control. Ooh, accidentally turned it off. Okay, there, low. Low looks like it's going to go a little bit slower, actually. I don't know, does that look slower? Looks almost the same. Maybe a little fast. I can't tell. Okay. I'll turn it off. Okay. Whoa, just on Hunter Original Blades. So that is my Sears Emerson turn of the century ceiling fan. Thanks for watching.